Welcome to Southern Machinery. Today we'll learn Lesson 7, Material Settings. After teaching the pickup position, click Part Teach. Click Move to Photo Position and press the Start button. Move to the photo position. Use the Z-axis up and down key to adjust the recognition height until the part foot is clearly visible. The R-axis can be used to adjust the angle deviation. Click Ref Edit, enter the edit interface. Click Ref Edit, frame out part foot. There are two recognize function cores suitable for parts without pins or bad reflection. Pinches is general pin check. Click Close Return. Click Feature Edit, do the part foot feature adjustment. Click Add. Use left mouse button to draw a circle from the feature edges to the feature center. Use right mouse button to set start and end. Click Close, Return. Click Ref Test to test the pin check successful. Look the image, the green cross appears. In the center of the pin, the recognition test is complete. Click Close and back to the menu.